How to fund your MetaMask with credit card. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can fund your MetaMask with credit card, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open up your MetaMask extension, just like I have done here. And then the second thing is to connect your MetaMask wallet to portfolio.metamask.io. And how do you do that? Go to your web browser, click on a new tab, and then type out portfolio. All right, dot metamask. Okay, dot io, and then click on enter, and then you wait for the MetaMask portfolio page to load. So once that's loaded, you connect your MetaMask to your portfolio. I have connected my MetaMask to my portfolio already. That's why you can see my account details here, the network I'm on, and then other option. But if you've not, by the time you scroll down on this page, after logging into your MetaMask portfolio, you would see the option Connect Wallet. It's actually straightforward. Just click on Connect Wallet, or you can just move to the top right corner of the screen and click on Connect Wallet, and then your wallet will be connected automatically. So once your wallet has been connected, the next step would be to go to the right side of the screen and then click on Buy. After clicking on Buy, you can see buying crypto made easy, etc. Click on Get Started, and the next thing would be to select your region. Where are you located at the moment? All right, so you can just go ahead and type out the country and then select the country, and then you can see the payment method that are available for the country. You can see bank transfer, debit or credit card. You can see mobile carrier and Kipu. And then since we are trying to fund our MetaMask with credit card, just click on debit or credit, then click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the page. Yeah, so you can see the page, you can see the amount, and then you can see the right of which says the value must be between 20 and 30,000 for the country, for the region I am currently. And then you can now edit this token. You can select the token that you want exactly. So after selecting the token, you can now see credit or debit card, right? Then click on Connect MetaMask, and then you wait for it to be connected. All right. So while it's still connecting, the other thing that you can do is to edit this, the amount that you want to buy, the amount that you want to spend, the amount that you want to fund your MetaMask with. So for me, you can leave it like this, or you can just decide to erase it, depending on your choice. All right, it's all yours. Just enter in the amount that you so desire while you wait for your MetaMask wallet to be connected. So after your MetaMask wallet has been connected, you would see quotes from different providers on this same page. So now mine might not be displayed due to the fact that I don't have enough money in my account that can pay for this. But after it has been connected, like I said, you would see quotes from different providers. Just select one to continue. So after selecting one, securely completes the purchase on the provider's website, and the funds will be deposited into your MetaMask wallet through your credit card. All right, and then your account balance will automatically update the MetaMask once the purchase is executed with the provider. All right, so that is it. This is how you can fund your MetaMask with your credit card. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.